me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and I'm so excited. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you all the amazing festive box from Dark Matters. I really can't wait, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to it.
And it was so lovely to meet Gemma from Dark Matters in some of the vegan festivals too. In the North Wales Vegan Festival and the Great Yorkshire Vegan Festival too.
It really was so lovely to be able to meet Gemma and to be able to have a chat with her as well.
It really was so lovely.
And then when I saw the Dark Matters selection box up, we thought we'd have a nice little treat for us all. I'm really looking forward to opening them and finding out what's inside.
Me too, I can't wait. Shall we show everyone what brownies are, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Hard luck, Mum.
They look amazing.
Which one should we try first?
Mm.
Or should we try a couple and try them?
I think that's a great idea. They've all got numbers on them.
Perfect.
So choose some numbers between 1 and 6.
Should you go for one?
I think that's a great idea. I think that's the U-tiled one.
Ooh.
Mm.
And you could choose a number, Mum.
Okay.
Ooh, go on then. What's that one?
This one's a rich Italian espresso amaretto
Ooh.
and spiced biscuits.
That sounds incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
So I go and get them ready for us to share.
Yes, please. Here is the Yuletide hearth. Oh, it smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does. This one's boozy double chocolate Christmas pudding.
Mm.
Looks amazing.
It tastes absolutely incredible too. I love the double chocolate so much. It's so delicious. And all the currants too. It's nice and rich as well. It's brilliant.
And the other one is
Number
the
4. And here's number 4.
Saturnalia. Rich Italian espresso amaretto and spiced biscuits.
Mm. Oh my gosh, what an incredible combination. Everything tastes so delicious.
Trying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and you're
Ooh, which one should you have today, Mum?
Ooh. Number 3.
How about number 5?
Ooh, that one. I'll go and see which ones these ones are.
Perfect.
That one's number 3.
Solstice?
That's it. So this one's warming spiced orange, cranberry and fig.
Mmm.
Smelled so good when I was cutting them.
That tastes absolutely incredible. I love all of the wonderful, fruity, festive flavours so much. It's so delicious.
That one's number 5, Midwinter. Vanilla white choc blondie and dark choc brownie marble.
That's so delicious. I love all of the wonderful flavours so much. And the fruit is so tasty as well. Should we go on them, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Here are the last 2 today.
Number 2 and number 6.
Can't wait, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to them. Here we go.
Thank you.
The one nearest to you was number 2.
Which is
the Fireside.
Oh.
Maple sea salt caramel, smoky almonds and caramelized pecans.
That's so good. I love the nuts so much. All of the wonderful flavours. It's so delicious. And I love all of Gemma's brownies too. They're so lovely at the moment.
They really are.
And this one, there's a lovely taste of the smoky almonds. It gives it such a wonderful different balance. And now, last one.
Is Evergreen Peppermint Matcha Creme Swirl.
Oh my gosh, the peppermint is so wonderful. It goes so well with the amazing gooey taste from Gemma's brownies.
Should we go and enjoy these last 2?
Yes, please, ma'am. Here are the Yule log brownie truffles.
They look amazing.
They smell absolutely incredible, don't they, ma'am?
They really do.
Wow, they taste absolutely incredible. They're so lovely, and I love the wonderful flavour from the dark chocolate too. It's absolutely wonderful. Oh my gosh, all of those brownies were so delicious. Oh, and the truffles too.
Everything was absolutely wonderful.
It really was. We really enjoyed sharing everything with everyone, didn't we, ma'am?
We really did.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've ever tried the Dark Matters brownies.
I think that's a great question. It'd be lovely to know if anyone else has enjoyed their brownies.
If you haven't, what vegan brownies do you enjoy? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too.